Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at SurveySparrow, which is an incredible way to implement surveys into your business, whether that be for your customers or your employees. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So guys, as always, SurveySparrow is a link down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after this video. If you are owning a business and you have employees, then it's important that your employees are enjoying working for you. Maybe they have some things that they want to share with you in order to help you improve the running of your business. In terms of customers, then it's important as well that your customers have a good customer satisfaction, and by giving them surveys, it's a great way to build rapport with those particular people. This is an amazing platform that allows you to do all this super easily and automate the whole process as well. It allows you to identify underlying patterns, predict trends, prioritize the right challenges, and learn the right act better, which is ultimately going to improve the service you can give your customers and much more. Okay, coming down below, we can see we have core solutions that are built to scale, focusing on a few different ones, whether that be customer experience, product experience, employee experience. This can all be done through an app, and this on the side is like an image of where you might see those questionnaires. Some of them might be like worded questions, some of them might just be giving a score, which allows you to engage employees and also enhance productivity, as well as improving your overall service and performance. Adapts to your ecosystem, so you can see all the plugins etc. they've got here, from like MailChimp, Google, Shopify, WordPress, and many others, which means it will seamlessly integrate into anything that you're using. What makes them different is that they can unify conversations, becoming the ultimate listening engine by delivering omni-channel engagement on all data in place, as well as that automate actions, so you can do all of these things absolutely seamlessly without any particular effort from yourself, and it's going to give you insights that you may never have considered just by looking at the store yourself. It's going to allow you to custom and change your store or your business in order to give the very best service for your customers. What else is really cool is that you can see they've been working with some really well-known brands such as Opera, as well as that Honda and many others. And you can see down below they have over 100,000 customers in 149 countries with various rewards going on. All very, very cool indeed. You can see the products that they have available. So they can give you survey software, there's chatbots for your websites, which will help with engagement. There's NPS software, which can turn customers into promoters, so sharing their experience and sharing the products, etc. with friends and family. There's also things like API to enable you to link up to all of the platforms super easily, and all sorts of other things are going on. Coming down below on features, you can see there are tons of different things that you can benefit from using this particular platform. In terms of solutions, you can see functions, customer experience, employee experience, as well as product experience, marketing experience, sales experience, and all for different industries pretty much will have you covered there. There's also a resources page where you can share your experiences as well as learn from other people in order to up your game, and as well as that you've got things like templates, webinars, community developers, partners, etc. Tons of cool stuff. So the most important part that we're going to take a look at then is how much does this all cost, because obviously if you want to run a successful business, then you care about your customers and your employees, so you're probably going to be very interested in this particular program. Well, you can create the best experience with the right plan, flexible and scalable, with a no credit card required 14-day free trial from the elite version here, which gives you 100k plus responses a month, more than 10 users, and tons of other pieces added on. Once you get into the paid version, you can see $499, and obviously depending on the size of your business and how many responses a month you need, you can drag this around here. And then when it comes to business, you've got perfect for small teams, premium features, grow your business seamlessly, and you can see this has different sort of scaling on the number of responses. The enterprise being 100,000 responses. Strangely, they've got business over on the right hand side, and it's the most popular. Usually you would have expected to see that in the middle. Strange thing here, but you can see on the business side of things, there's tons and tons of ways in which it's going to be able to add value to your business. Here you can see the customer experience program, and then also the 360 assessment platform, depending on what it is that you really require from this. Now I've clicked on here on yearly. This is the yearly prices we got here, and if you click across to quarterly, you can see the amount that you might get billed per month depending on whatever plan it is that you choose. Going down below, you'll be able to access that 14-day free trial, so if you want to check it out, make sure you click on that link and go over there after the video. So it took me literally 10 seconds to sign up, just putting it in a few details details, that's going to bring me across to this page. Obviously, it's on a completely free trial, guys, so you can go and do all of this without adding any credit cards or anything like that. I can say the sort of things that I might be interested in. So just for this, I'm going to click on employee engagement. You can then see you can build your first survey. So I can see either I can create a new blank template, or maybe I want to click on one of these. I can click use template, and then it's going to bring me to here. I can create my new survey, and then guys, you can see all of the different questions and things here that I might want to add in, and that's going to give me all of the valuable feedback I need. You can see this is very straightforward. You don't need any coding experience or anything else in order to be able to use this platform. As I've mentioned, there's different versions available on this website, so go and find the one that you need. I'm not going to go through all of them because it will use up too much of your valuable time. By now, I'm sure you've understood already whether or not this is something that will help you to build your business more effectively. In summary, SurveySparrow is an amazing website that you can go to help understand better the needs of your employees as well as the needs of your customers, their experiences through the marketing process, their experiences of using different products, as well as much, much more, all with drag and drop usability, all super straightforward. Guys, if you want to go and get that 14-day free trial with no credit card required, then head to the link down below in the description in order to get started with that. If you enjoyed today's video, then make sure you smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks very much for doing that, guys. It helps us out more than you know. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about amazing digital products that are going to help you in your business journey online, then make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.